How to use coins on AliExpress. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can use your coins on AliExpress, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically use your coins on AliExpress, all you have to do is you can either open the AliExpress app or you can go to aliexpress.com. Now if I show you my current coins, just click the account icon and click the my coins option. You'll be able to see the amount of coins I have as well as also the amount of money that the coins is actually equivalent to. Now you cannot directly convert this coin into money or this coin into coupon, right? So what you have to do if you want to actually use coins is you have to actually use coin during discounts, and only some of the products that are available for discounts where you can use your coins. So let's say I want to buy this, right? I'll just select this little product over here, and once I select that product, first of all see how much your coins are worth. Once you see how much your coins are worth, you can just click the buy now option over here. Once you click the buy now option, you should be able to go ahead and then basically enter your discount coins as well. So right over here you can simply enter your payment methods. Now you can see saved, and this saved is because my coins has been automatically applied without having to do anything. So if you see over here my coins, the saved option, if I look down you can see the coins, it has been automatically applied for this product. So I don't have to do anything, you don't have to select an option. As long as you have got coins in your account, it is going to get automatically applied during the next product that you're buying, and you'll get a certain amount of discount. And now you can just click the place order option, and this way you'll be able to use your coins on AliExpress. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.